Hey, welcome to another CSONS at Home. This week we are starting with some local trout from Chirk, just over the border in Wales. We've got some kimchi and pickles. Kimchi's made with some local Chinese cabbages from Hare Hill Farm. There's our Chirk trout. Some Shropshire microherbs, some teriyaki, and some sesame seeds. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take some of our sesame seeds and sprinkle them on a flat kind of surface. Not all of them, we'll use some for the final garnish as well. Okay, pan is on, warming up. And sesame seeds should just stick to the side. I'm not going to put any on the skin, I'm going to cook that side first. It's cured, this fish, so you can eat it just as it is. But we're just going to put a little bit of colour and crisp up those sesame seeds on the side. Pan's just starting to get hot. Get a bit of oil in there. Now I'm going to start on the skin. And again. A little bit more oil in there. Shouldn't take too long to colour that skin up. Nice bit of colour on there. So whilst that's cooking, we're going to take our little pickle stacks off the top of our kimchi. These are looking awesome, nice bit of colour all the way around. Whilst that last side is just colouring up, I'm going to start plating. So first things first, nice bit of kimchi. So perhaps we'll just put our pickles maybe just on the end there. Some of these lovely Shropshire microgreens, but just gonna do a light garnish with. Then some of the teriyaki, which I'm gonna go for a 3 pour. Hope it comes out alright. Yeah, it's a nice consistency. And then, whatever you got left, just put them all over. Doing it.